Hi friends, this is Chandrasekhar. About Armstrong number or not checking in Python. So first, what is Armstrong number? Armstrong number is an n digit equals to sum of its digits raised to the nth power. That is example 9474 or 153. For 9474, 9 to the power 4, because 9474 is 4 digit, so power is 4. So power is 4. 9 to the power 4, 7 to the 4 to the power 4, power equals to their addition 9474. So sum number is original number equal. So this number is Armstrong number. So first we import math library. So first import math. Next input a number, accept a number. So number is number equal int input, enter a number, Next is equals to 0.0 for sum purpose, c equals to 0, c for counting digit, digits, how many digits are there in this number. T for temporary, so t equal n. Assign n value into t. Next, loop start, checking how many so code checking how many digits. So first, while t greater than 0, t greater than n, assign n value in t into t. So while t greater than 0, so t equal t double slash 10, count digit, c equal c plus 1, double slash for comment line, t for quotient here, double slash for integer value, accept integer value. Next, first initialize t equals to n, while t greater than 0, remainder t mod 10, s equal sum s plus math dot pow remainder r comma c, counting digit r comma c. Next, t equal t double slash 10, t for quotient. Next, if sum equals to original number, print number is Armstrong number, else print number is not Armstrong. Math.pow working as, suppose math.pow 2, 3 indicates 2 to the power 3. So